all 6 of my subscribers. Today is going to be kind of a story time, I guess. I just wanted to talk about the love of my life, my cat Monkey. Basically, explain, how I came to get her. I've changed rooms literally like 5 or 10 times. That's a bit of a stretch, but a lot of times. And so I'm aware the lighting's kind of crap, my makeup's kind of crap, my hair is actually crap. Got some rainbow crap, just all the crap right now. But I was able to find somewhere where I could escape and sit down and do this. Now that I know it's there, I have to get this out of here. Goodbye. So, let's get started. It all started when I fell in love with this little pure black boy kitten at a PetSmart that I lived by at the time. He was there for sale for, I don't know how much, about $80 I think. I fell in love with him. He was the sweetest little thing. I'd gone into the store to buy him and realized I didn't have enough money. So I came in about a week later with enough money. Me and my friend went there together to pick him up, and he was gone. So I was actually really heartbroken because I had really had my heart set on that kitten. After that, my friend had to go get his car washed. So we went to this really like ghetto car washing place. We got there and I was sitting in his car, and my friend went inside to talk to the management or whatever, to get his car signed up, I guess, or whatever, to get cleaned. And apparently while he was in there talking to somebody, a lady came in holding a little gray and white kitten, and she came in and she was like, "I just found this cat under my car. Does anyone want it?" And of course, like, scooped her out of this lady's hands and was like, "Yes, I'll take her." And he brought the kitten out to me, and I was so surprised because he just opened the passenger door and put this little kitten in my hands, and I was in shock. I was like, "Where the hell did you get a freaking kitten?" And he told me that some lady just brought her in, and right after that, we went to PetSmart, or not PetSmart, we went to Walmart actually together, and we brought my little kitten inside, and I wasn't, at first I had her in the little cart all wrapped up in my jacket because she was tiny. She was tiny. I promise, like, at this size, she was definitely not over 4 weeks. So anyways, we had her in the cart all wrapped up in my hoodie to keep warm or whatever, but she kept crawling out and wanting to get out of the cart, so eventually I just picked her up and was holding her, and then she crawled up onto my shoulder and just sat there. She just sat on my she didn't I almost said shat, but she just sat on my shoulder the whole time we were at Walmart picking her up stuff. And when we went back in the car, when we went back to my place, she sat on my shoulder, and I was like, you know what the perfect name for this little kitten is, because I'm weird? Monkey. She was, not in the best shape. She was covered in fleas. She definitely had worms. I had to take care of all that. And this little kitten, she just came to me at such a hard time in my life, and being able to have Monkey and being able to focus on taking care of her, making sure she was okay, it helped me feel okay. Maybe it was just that I couldn't focus on my own problems. I don't know. She definitely helped with not having as much stress. She was just a little therapy kitten, basically. monkey was crazy, which is another reason why I ended up naming her that, or I guess why her name ended up suiting her so perfectly. It's because she was off the walls.
A bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Bad love, a bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Blood on the floor, blood on the speakers, fist pump, pump, pumping bad blood through the speakers. Bad love, a bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Ever heard about the bad blood story? Took place in 1892. Father said a son to house they county crossed the lines of a family feud. Generation deep, no one knows how it started or how many sides of members departed. It was really bloody on both sides of the battle. Erratic king's gonna protect their castle. Son is walking in the dead of day. A man says, hey, I'm talking to you. Boy looks up, says, sorry, mister, but I have a simple job to do. I have a letter from my daddy, he gave it to me, and I better mail it and come up with one page. You see, sir, I don't want any trouble. I know we got beef and we're living on a bubble. Bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Blood on the floor, blood on the speakers, fist pump, pump, pumping bad blood through the speakers. Bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. So the boy runs home and tells his daddy about the currents at the edge of town. Daddy grabs his gun and his horse and his kid, and the boy turned back around. On the other side of town, a similar situation going on with the family too. Maybe it's the heat of the summer and the wave approach you under like a concrete in your shoe. Slow motion drown, slow motion battle, body sent to the grave like slaughter of a cattle. Guns drawn, knives drawn too. I guess that's what they say, it's always been true about bad love. A bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Blood on the floor, blood on the speakers, fist pump, pump, pumping bad blood through the speakers. Bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Here we are in 2000 and whatever, but the bad blood still exists. Don't make sense to anyone ever, but we don't care 'cause the game is fixed. Sides meet, they acknowledge that the winner takes nothing 'cause it's how it all started. It's not about this, it's not about that, but we keep on going 'cause we just can't stop all that. Bad love, a bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Blood on the floor, blood on the speakers, fist pump, pump, pumping bad blood through the speakers. Bad love, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up.
What happened? What the fuck?
So, my phone is working right now. I know it was kind of a random video, but I kind of wanted to, show, the lighting. I kind of wanted you to know the story of my cat because she's, like I said, she's my baby and I love her and I wanted to get her out there and everything. And also, I am going to be trying my hardest to post videos more frequently because I have actually had a couple really, really exciting things happen to me in the past week or so. So I want to get y'all updated on that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Monkey, say goodbye. You're the star of the show. She's done, but yeah. And y'all have a good night, evening, whatever you are right now when you're watching this. Goodbye. What? Really? Can you say goodbye? What do you want? Really? I love you. I love you. Oh, acrobatics.